Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about some fantastic news in the freight market that's sure to get all our logistics clients pumped up for 2024. First off, let's dive into why there's so much optimism right now. According to the latest Freight Waves podcast, which we'll drop a link to at the bottom, we've got some seriously strong import volumes coming in, especially from China. This is a huge deal because it means more business opportunities for trucking companies as demand for transportation services ramps up. If you're in the trucking industry, this is your time to shine. Now let's talk about what this means for you. With many small carriers exiting the market due to rising operational costs and the end of those SBA loans, there's a major shift happening. This capacity reduction is actually great news because it leads to a more balanced market. Fewer trucks mean better pricing power for those who remain, and that's fantastic for your bottom line. But wait, it gets even better. The National Truckload Index, which measures spot rates, is showing signs of stabilizing. This is a clear indicator that the market is finding its equilibrium. So not only do we have increased demand, but we also have stabilizing rates, making it a win-win situation. Alright, let's switch gears for a moment and talk tax planning. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but stick with me because this could save you a ton of money. With the market looking so strong, now's the perfect time to consider investing in new equipment or technology. Thanks to bonus depreciation and Section 179 expensing, you can deduct the full purchase price of qualifying equipment purchased or financed during a tax year. This is a huge tax benefit that can significantly reduce your taxable income. And don't forget about those fuel efficiency tax credits. If you're upgrading to more sustainable equipment, there are credits available that can offset some of those costs. Plus, if you're investing in innovative logistics solutions or process improvements, you might qualify for R&D tax credits. It's all about making smart investments now to reap the benefits later. So to wrap things up, 2024 is shaping up to be an incredible year for the freight market. Strong import volumes, a balanced market with reduced capacity, and stabilizing spot rates all point to a thriving industry. Combine that with strategic tax planning, and you've got a recipe for success. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Located in Rancho Cucamonga and serving clients nationwide, our expertise is just a call or click away, no matter where your business is situated. Visit our website or follow us on social media channels to get practical, expert advice tailored to the unique needs of businesses like yours.
If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow logistics professionals. And as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or if you need personalized advice. Let's make 2024 the best year yet for your business. See you next time.